Well, Meowdy'do and Catz with the Z too. We're playing Kawaii Kitchen. Get ready for free diamonds. At our German restaurant, we have pretzel rolls, question mark, bratwurst coil, Weiswurst, knockwurst, potato pancake, German meatloaf, mashed potatoes, Berliner pretzel, and question mark. Will we ever find out? Sorry. I don't want whipped cream. Sorry. I was reaching for the pretzel. Well, clearly you're uncoordinated. I'm aware I'm uncoordinated, ma'am, but have you seen the leaderboards? I can be coordinated when I want to be. Or to be honest, it's luck. I get lucky. I could have done better than that. I'd like to see I try. Well, I is trying. And I'm not gonna make a mistake. Unlike the past life, I, who is not as determined as me to get a high score. And now things got serious, and past life me is sweating ball sacks. We already got a 2 diamond tip. This is already a successful run. And we're not even done yet. Take that, previous life I. But first, things getting serious in the German restaurant. We're going to YouTube, guys. We're in the YouTube helmet. We're going straight to YouTube. Do not let the luxury of YouTube get to your head. You're only at 1 diamond. Haha, says my adversary. You are but a mere YouTuber, and I am the guy who no-lives Kawaii Kitchen, and I'm gonna get a higher score than you today. And I say, haha, but I had fun. And they're like, no, I'm defeated. Damn it. A speedrunner would give up this run, but I'm not speedrunning. Because I get salty snack, like pretzel, etc. Gotta get used to those salty snacks, as they're called. They're crackers with salt on them. This guy's sticking to what he knows is good. No risque last customers. That's a perfectly normal burger in my eyes. And one more for YouTube. This one goes out to the homies. You know who you are, homie. If you resonate with salty crackers and mashed potatoes on a bun, you're a homie. If you want some sausage with that, you're also a homie. If you want to take it the safe route and get a perfectly normal burger, you're still a homie. If you like something called a lilac smoothie with chocolate and whipped cream, you're still a homie. Because that may be gay, but maybe you're a woman. Or maybe you just like drinks that taste good. Who knows? Maybe gender has nothing to do with why you ordered that. Sauerkraut. Let's go big bucks, no whammies. Big bucks, big bucks.